Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi, this is Sue from 1A Auto, and today we're going to do a brake flush on this 2012 Equinox because we just did four-wheel brake service with our Nakamoto rotors and pads from 1A Auto, and we're going to do a brake flush due to the mileage and the year of the vehicle. So now that we've raised and supported our vehicle with our two-post lift, at home you can use a floor jack with jack stands. We've taken all the tires off so we can access the bleeder screws and start the flush. On this particular model, the ABS module is in the front of the vehicle, so you go to the furthest brake line, which sequence will be right rear, right front, left front. So to start our brake flush, I come up front here to the brake reservoir. Make sure you get no debris inside. I use a turkey baster, and I will suck out the old fluid and fill it with clean fluid to start. Now that I'm at the end of the master reservoir, I'm going to fill it with clean fluid to start my brake flush. Always check your manufacturer's recommended brake fluid. It should be marked on the cap. In this case, it's .3. I'm going to use a little funnel, and I'm going to top it off to the line. You'll see the line mark right here. Once again, I like to clean it because I don't want any debris getting inside. I have a helper inside, and they're going to pump the brakes and help me bleed it. Take the dust cover boot off just by pulling on the tab, raising it up. We're starting at the right rear, which is the furthest from the master cylinder. So I'm going to say, pump it up, and my partner in there is going to pump up the brakes, and when it's firm, he's going to say holding. I have a catch basin here. We're going to open the bleeder screw. I'm going to do this about, hopefully just 3 times before it comes out clear. Pump it up. This is a 10mm wrench. Holding. Pump it up. It's important that the partner does not lift that brake pedal up when this bleeder screw is open. You'll suck air back into the system, and you'll have to start all over again. Pump it up. Pump it up. At this point, I'm going to close this bleeder screw, and I'm going to recheck my master. You never want to run out of fluid. So refill your reservoir, and then continue to each wheel. Right rear, right front, left front. In between, rechecking the reservoir. Now the fluid is clearer, and that little green tinge is disappearing. Pump it up. Probably one last time. Pump it up. There we go. Nice, clear. Pump it up. Now we're going to close the bleeder screw, clean it with brake parts cleaner, and then put the cap back on. Now that this wheel's clean and all set, we're going to move on to the left rear. So now we're at the left rear wheel. Same procedure, take the dust cap off. And my partner in there is holding on the brake pedal. He's already pumped it, so I'm going to open up the bleeder screw. Pump it up. A couple more times on this left rear wheel and we should be all set. Pump it up. Make sure you put the cap back on. Keeping dust and water out of that bleeder screw will help maintenance in the future. Now we're at the right front caliper. We're going to remove the boot again. Beautiful. All the color's gone, nice and clean. Close it up tight. Pump it up. Okay, so now we're at the final wheel, left front. It's going to be the shortest distance to the master, so this should take no time at all. Remove the boot. My partner in crime has pumped up the brakes and is holding. Cleaning the brake fluid helps keep the moisture out and doing damage to any rubber seals in the brake system. Pump it up. Yeah, I'm going to do one more time and we'll be all set. Perfect. Nice and tight. Pump it up. We'll clean this wheel and we'll be all set. So now that we've bled all the brakes, all the clean fluid coming out of all four wheels, we're going to top off the master cylinder one last time. And we're right there. Should be right at the indicator. Perfect.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.